Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the conversion of number system. We are going to convert binary number, octal number or hexadecimal number. We are going to convert these number systems into decimal number system, and there is a set of instructions you need to follow. So let us see one by one. So first of all, let us consider one binary example, that is a binary number which would be required to be converted into decimal number system. So here is the binary number 1111101.001 binary number is given, which we need to convert into decimal number system. So while writing the solution, there is a simple thing. What you need to do is write down all the numbers separately by keeping some distance, as 11101.001. Now keep the fractional point as it is, and from the fractional point write down the powers of 2 because the base is 2. So starting from 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. Here it will be 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3, same as that of number scale. Once again, keeping the decimal fraction point as it is, you need to cancel out the powers of 2 where 0 is present in the binary. So I will cancel this one and add these numbers, because this is going to be get 1 into 2 raised to 6, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 1 into 2 raised to 4, that is nothing but 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4. So I will add this, and we all know that 2 raised to 6 is 64, so this will be 64 plus 2 raised to 5 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. And for these ones I have, it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So what we have here, if you add these all numbers, you will get the total of 125. So this is the conversion of integer part, you can say. And if you add this, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 8 is 0.125. So if you add this together, you will get the number 0.125. Why? Because I have not cancelled these 2's. So let me cancel these 2's because zeros are present here. So for this 0, for this 0, this number will not be present. So I will cut down to this, and the final total will be 1 by 8. Hence the answer is 0.125, because 1 by 8 corresponds to 0.125. So this is the conversion for binary to decimal number system, and you can easily write down this as 1111101.001 binary corresponds to integer part 125.125 in decimal. The same rules can be followed for the base 8 and base 16. So if you want to convert a number which is octal to decimal, all the 2 here in this line will be replaced by 8, and the rest of the procedure is same. Let us see an example here. So here there is an example 140.256. It's an octal number, and we need to convert this octal number into decimal. So what I did here, I have written down all the numbers separately, 140 fractional point 256, and since the number is octal and I wish to convert this number into decimal, I will write down the powers of 8 at 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2 in below the respective numbers here, and 8 raised to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 below the 2, 5 and 6 respectively. So since 8 raised to 0 is corresponding with 0, so this term will be cancelled, hence the addition bit is 0 written here, and this will be 4 into 8 raised to 1, 1 into 8 raised to 2, decimal point as it is, fractional point as it is, 2 into 8 raised to minus 1, that is 1 upon 8, that is nothing but 2 by 8. This will be 5 by 8 square, this will be 6 by 8 cube, that is nothing but 5 and 12. And if you add this number together, what answers you will get? 64 plus 32, that is nothing but 96 fractional point, and sum of all these three digits will be 0.339. So I will write down here 339, and the number is converted into respective decimal, 96.339 decimal. The same sets you can follow to convert hexadecimal number into decimal. You need to replace 8 or 2 by 16 if you want to convert the hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, you might get the number as capital A, B, and you have to write down their respective values. For capital A it is 10, for capital C it is 13, D it is 13, for C it is 12. So respective numbers you have to write, and you need to convert it into decimal point or decimal number system. So that's all about conversion of any base to decimal. Thank you.